Hi, you guys. This is me again. Just to let you know before I get into this video is not sponsored by MAC. I just wanted to do a review and my thoughts on the palette since I currently used it lately. So that's just a heads up. So enjoy the video. 6 Editorial Red palette. It's a pro lip palette. You can get it from MACcosmetics.com or you get it from the MAC Pro stores. From what I understand, they're not sold in the freelancing stores. They're sold in like the pro stores, like you have the one in New York. They have a pro store in Miami, and I think they have one in San Francisco, if I'm not mistaken. When I find out, I'll put that information in the description bar so you can check that out as well, just in case you're in the area and may want to pick this up. Anyway, this costs $25 and it comes with 6 colors in here. The net weight on it is 0.21 ounces with 6 grams each. Well, I'm guessing the lipsticks are 6 grams, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. So you have 2 matte colors, 1 retro matte, 1 satin, and 2 cream sheen finishes. So the matte colors are Lady Danger and Russian Red. The retro matte is Ruby Woo. On Hold and Dare You are the cream sheens. And Mac Red is the satin finish. Now, 4 of these colors you can get on their own. They are permanent lipsticks. Lady Danger, Russian Red, Ruby Woo, and Mac Red. You can all still get those permanent from Mac. And I think their lipsticks are $18 or $17. I'll put the correct price in the description bar below so you can check those prices out as well too. 3 of the colors are blue base, Mac Red, Ruby Woo, and Russian Red. Um, if you can see in here, you can see some of the blue base in here if you want to see it also. Um, the difference between Russian Red and Mac Red is that besides them being different mattes, the way they apply. Ruby Woo is very dry when you apply it on, no slick anything. Russian Red is more, you have a little bit more oily, it's a little more smooth to put on. They're both under the blue base family, although from some videos I've seen and from what I did on my cousin, I can show you the picture, show you the Instagram video below. Russian Red seemed like it has a bit more berry into it, if I'm not mistaken. On some people it may not show, but on my cousin it looked like it a little bit. But both of them are both blue base reds. Ruby Woo is described as more of a brighter blue base red. Now Mac Red is a blue base undertone as well too. It's more of a satin finish, so it can last if you may have to reapply probably once during the day because it's a satin finish. But some people may consider that more of a, or some people may be considered more a little bit, just a teeny bit more pink maybe. It's a gorgeous color. All 3 of these colors are beautiful. All of them are beautiful. Lady Danger is more of a corally orangey red. That's good for like the summer. Or my thing is, and I say like this, psychology is like color. You can also put a bright orange on in the wintertime and still slay because it's color. It's lipstick. So this is like a popular summer color. So is Ruby Woo. A lot of them you can wear any time of the year. Um, I used Russian Red twice on my cousin, like during a photo shoot in July, and I did it when I was out of town. So this color, like I said, this is a beautiful color. On my other colors, and I use Ruby Woo. Very beautiful color. Yes, very classic. This palette is for the person who may want to, switch up their lipstick here and there, or may want to try some colors like with this pop of orange right here, and they don't feel like buying a tube of lipstick and all that jazz. So this is good to mix and match your colors for one good price. Or to me, this is for the makeup artist who is just starting out and want to get into different colors and may not want to buy lipsticks to melt them. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's really nothing wrong with that. To melt the colors, there's nothing wrong with that. But this is easy to carry around. Just like I said, when you start it and when you're putting your money in business, this is very, very convenient. And I'll say this on another note, if you are a makeup artist, I would say always take advantage of the different pro discounts they have out, while getting your stuff set up. Take advantage of the pro discounts. Just I'm definitely saying just solely take advantage of it. And as a if you do get the Mac Pro discount, you'll get it's 35 every year, and every 2 years is 65, and you'll get a 40% discount with makeup artistries. I think students you get 20%. I'm not sure. I'll put the Mac Pro information below. I currently get a 40% discount, so this didn't cost me 25, it cost me 15. But I'm saying this is definitely worth the money to get. You get 4 permanent lipsticks that are beautiful. All 6 are beautiful, and it's totally worth it. The colors, they can fit any skin tone. Any skin tone can wear these colors. I have did it on different array of skin tones. Also, on the side note, my other favorite red, actually my favorite red from MAC is Viva Glam 1. That's more of a brownish red, and that has a bit of a blue undertone as well too. So I would say these three are like sisters. Russia Red, Ruby Woods, and MAC Red. And Viva Glam is like their older cousin with a bit of brown and blue base. So yeah, that's just my take. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys check out this stuff. Like I said, I will put this below. I will also put each of the lipsticks below if you want to check that out. I also will put Viva Glam 1 below to get that one as well too. It goes to a good cause. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.